Good morning, students. This is English Reader for Class 2, Lesson 3, The Happy Tree. Summary. Munmun, the seed, is now a beautiful big gulmohar tree. Munmun, the seed, sleeps inside the soil. He opens his eyes, but he cannot see a thing. There is a dark brown mud around. It is cool but hard. He tries to push the mud. It is not easy. He hears a sound of pitter-patter. He finds that it is raining. He tries to push the mud once again. This time it is soft. Soon Munmun is out of the mud. He sees out light around him. He also sees green trees and he is very happy. But he does not know what the green things are. So here, children, Munmun is the name of a seed, a small plant that will become a big tree, that is Gulmohar tree, the colorful tree. So that seed, it is inside the soil, and when that seed opens his eyes, he cannot see anything because it is dark inside the ground, under the ground, and around that seed there is a lot of mud, and he tries himself to push and come out to see the world. And suddenly he hears the sound of pitter-patter, that is the raining, and again he tries himself to push and come out from the mud. And when he come out from that mud, he sees out light around himself. Everything is green, colorful, but he does not know what is that green color about, what is that green replicates it. So these two trees are there. The first image, colorful tree, he is saying, today I am a beautiful tree. Then this green tree, the big another tree, he is saying, you are not only beautiful but you are also useful. So after some time, that Munmun, the seed, became a big tree, and that neighbor tree, he is trying to give some kind of information that you are not only beautiful but you are useful. Munmun looks at the big tree. He does not know what makes seeds grow up to become trees. The big tree tells him that seeds need air, water and heat from the sun to grow. So that big tree is talking to Munmun and informing that to grow we need air, water and heat from the sun. Soon rain falls, the wind blows and the sun shines. Slowly Munmun grows up to a big green Gulmohar tree. He is covered with flowers. He looks beautiful. Munmun and big tree become friends. The big tree tells Munmun that trees keep the air fresh and clean. So that big tree is informing Munmun that every now and then we have to keep the air fresh and clean so that everyone can breathe it. He tells Munmun that trees also give food. Their branches are home for many animals. Birds build their nests on Munmun's branches. Children play under his shade. At last, Munmun has to tell us some message. So, that big tree is informing Munmun that we are the shelters for many animals. The birds, they are building their nest on our branches, and the children, they used to play around us. So looking at that, Munmun has some message to us. And what is that message? Children, I have a message. Look after us. Do not cut us. We are your green friends. So this message is given by that Gulmohar tree, that is Munmun. Opposite on the basis of the chapter: happy, sad, beautiful, ugly, inside, outside, wet, dry, soft, hard, light, dark, big, small, clean, dirty. Answer the question. Why is it not easy for Munmun to push the mud? It was not easy because the mud was hard. Which tree does Munmun grow up to be? Munmun grows up to be like Gulmohar. What is the sound of pitter patter? The sound of pitter patter was of the rain. What does Munmun see as he peeps out of the soil? He peeps out of the soil and saw light around him. What is the message Munmun gives? Munmun gave the message, do not cut them, they are our green friends. Fill in the blank. Munmun the seed sleeps inside the dash, soil. Munmun hears the sound of dash, pitter patter. He sees dash around him, light. The big tree tells him that seeds need dash, dash and dash, air, water and heat. Munmun grows up to be a big green dash tree, Gulmohar. So students, write down the opposite, answer question and fill in the blanks in your notebook and learn it properly. Thank you.